data-driven world, speed, intelligence, and agility are non-negotiable. Your data platform choice can make or break real-time decisions, analytics, and AI success. That is what narrows down the conversation to two industry giants, Snowflake and Databricks. Both are leaders in cloud-based data management. They offer powerful solutions for handling massive volumes of information. But they take very different approaches, and choosing the right one could give your business a significant edge. In this video, we will break down the difference between Snowflake and Databricks, compare their strengths, examine pricing, look at use cases, and help you decide what makes more enterprise sense for your specific needs. Let's dive in.
Snowflake is a fully managed cloud data warehouse designed for scalable analytics and reporting, while Databricks is a cloud-native unified analytics platform built for big data processing, AI, and machine learning. Both support multiple cloud providers and structured data, but their purposes are quite different. While Snowflake excels at data warehousing, where it easily stores and manages massive volumes of structured data, it's also good for business intelligence as it powers interactive dashboards and smart reporting, plus SQL-based analytics, where it lets analysts run complex queries with familiar SQL tools. Databricks, on the other hand, is ideal for data engineering. It helps build reliable, scalable data pipelines with ease. It's also great for real-time data streaming as it handles the live data flow for instant insights. It's equally good for AI and ML pipelines as it trains and deploys machine learning models efficiently. You can think of Snowflake as a smart storage vault for data and Databricks as the lab where advanced models and experiments are built. When it comes to performance and scalability, Snowflake separates storage and compute, allowing you to scale both independently, which is great when it comes to unpredictable workloads. Databricks, on the other hand, leverages Apache Spark, offering unmatched speed for processing large datasets and training ML models. Snowflake is strong for concurrent analytics, while Databricks shines with high-performance data transformation. When it comes to pricing models, Snowflake uses usage-based pricing, charging per second of compute, which is efficient for on and off workloads. Databricks uses Databricks units, which are better for long-running or continuous jobs like training models or streaming pipelines. You can choose based on how your workloads behave, burst versus constant. Snowflake integrates seamlessly with BI tools like Tableau, Power BI, and Looker. Databricks offers deep integration with ML frameworks like MLflow, PyTorch, and TensorFlow. If you mostly use dashboards, reports, and SQL, then Snowflake is your best bet. It's smooth, fast, and made for business intelligence. But if you're working with tons of raw data, building AI models, or doing real-time analysis, Databricks is the better choice. It's built for big data and machine learning. When it comes to choosing the platform that suits your enterprises best, remember that Snowflake is best for SQL analytics, BI dashboards, and scalable data warehousing. Databricks, on the other hand, excels at real-time big data processing and AI/ML workloads. Many enterprises go hybrid and integrate both for maximum flexibility and performance. Using both Snowflake and Databricks together gives you the best of both worlds. Clean, structured data for reporting and powerful engines for advanced analytics and AI. It's like having one platform for insight and another for innovation, working hand in hand.
Choosing between Databricks and Snowflake is not about features, it's about fit. reach out to us at inquiry@apiconnect.co.nz. Let's build smarter data systems together.